everyone, it's Oksana and welcome to my vintage kitchen. Today we are making beautiful recipe stuffed acorn. If you love squash, if you love stuffed squash, I have another recipe, you can check this link. It's stuffed spaghetti squash. Without further ado, let's go! Cut squash in half lengthwise. Scoop out pulp and seeds. Place squash cut side down, brush it with the olive oil and bake it for about 40 minutes or until just tender. Meanwhile, chop your vegetables. In a large skillet, cook mushrooms, celery and onion in hot oil over medium-high heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add barley or quinoa, garlic and salt. Cook and stir for about 2 minutes. Stir in the water and wine. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer covered for about 10 to 12 minutes or until your quinoa is just tender. Chop your spinach and add it to your frying pan. Add cranberries and cheese. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Our acorn baked, our stuffing is ready. What I love to do, I love a little bit to shred it. Now you get a spoon and you put your stuffing inside your acorns. Now the only thing I have left, besides to subscribe to my channel, we apply the rest of our cheese on top of our filling. For 2 of them I'm gonna put some Parmesan. I have some and the rest of it I'm gonna put mozzarella and cheddar mix. You can use any cheese. The original recipe requires a Gouda cheese, but you don't have to run to supermarket to spend money on Gouda. If you have mozzarella at home or you have Parmesan at home, you can mix your cheeses. Every cheese you have in the house will work well in this recipe. Don't run to supermarket, don't waste extra money. Okay, now we're gonna put it back to the oven for about 10 minutes until heated through, and we're gonna enjoy it. Okay guys, they are ready and they look incredibly good. The Parmesan crust gave a little crust, so I don't like it that much. But it tastes good. Very good. Let's try with the mozzarella crust. Don't put Parmesan on top, it's given a little bit hard crust. It still tastes good, but I found out the mozzarella one is much better. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe, press this thumbs up, press this bell, and I see you next time.